How to survive in rugged mountains. Building photovoltaic power stations. Bayi Mountain Photovoltaic Pile Driver. It is the primary equipment for installing photovoltaic piles. The mountain environment is complex and changeable. The terrain is undulating. Bayi Mountain Photovoltaic Pile Driver. Installed on the front end of the excavator. Flexible in action. Convenient location transfer. Designed for complex terrain. 360 automatic rotation to clamp and place workpieces. Flexible angle adjustment. Adapt to different terrains. Driven by hydraulic motor. High-frequency vibration. Easily penetrates pebbles and sandy geology. Adapt to mountains with different slopes. The whole machine is made of high-strength and durable materials. Ensure long-term stability and reliability of machinery. Easily penetrate complex geology. Have mature experience in mountain piling operations. We believe. Purchase professional engineering equipment. Find a professional manufacturer. Bayi Machinery. Make your construction one step faster. Make a lot of money. Bayi Machinery. Born for efficiency.